Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to show you this new grow light that I just got. I set it up and had it turned on. It is super bright. This is an Aosbeic, very hard word to say. I will put it up in the description. It's a very bright light. It mocks the sunlight, so you've got that white light. It's not purple or pink or anything like that. But it is a really nice looking light. I'll show you the other side of it. There you go. That would be the top side. As you can see over here, it has a little knob that you can adjust your brightness with it. I really like that feature. Now this is a really heavy light. I mean, it's not heavy as far as it's gonna, you're not gonna be able to hang it up and use it. I mean, it is just a nice, heavy, sturdy light. Let me give the specs on it and I will read it to you. Okay, this is an Aosbeic grow light. It's 4000K, so it has a lot of power. Okay, so you see it comes here with everything you need. You get your grow light, you get your directions. You've got two nice pulleys where you can adjust it up and down. And then you have the pieces that hold up the light that slides right into the light. These pieces right here, it just hooks onto the back of the light. And then you've also got this hanger if you don't want to use the pulleys. So they give you everything that you could possibly need. And like I said before, this is an Aosbeic grow light. They gave me this light to try out for free. I'm not getting paid anything to endorse this light or anything except for the light itself. I will be putting the Amazon link for this light down in my description box down below. So if you guys want to check it out, maybe read up a little bit more about it, read some reviews. It has a lot of really great reviews on it. So this light can provide your plants with white light, so it's similar to the sun. It's got 408 pieces of LED lights in the panel. It is very energy efficient because it is LED. The light has a complete natural full white spectrum, perfect for all stages of plants. And because it's 4000K, it's going to give you all the power that you need. Even if you're starting seedlings, you have smaller baby plants, or even full lush house plants. If you're using this in the winter to supplement through the winter, I think this is going to be a really great light to try to use. So it's got Lumileds LEDs, it's Samsung, it's Osram, and it's star LED beads, which brings an 80RA high color rendering index of over 50,000 hours of life for this one light. And that's a lot of light. Life. I mean, 50,000 hours of lifespan. So, that's going to give you several years for this light. And it also has a dimmer, which you can see over here on the side that I showed you before. And it has a 0 to 10 knob, so you can make it really light or you can turn it all the way up. I really like that feature myself. I have other grow lights that they don't have that feature, and I think I would really like it because sometimes you just don't need that full bright light, especially if you're already growing in front of a window. You might not need the whole intensity of what that light is going to put out. So, and with this being a 4000K light, it's a strong, strong light. Its light bar can also be adjusted to a 45-degree angle, so you can put it where you need it to be on the lights where you want it to be. It just don't hang straight. You can, it does have that 45-degree angle, so you can angle it and point it anywhere you want to. And I also like it because it has zero noise, because it's a fanless design, so you're not constantly listening to a fan humming in the background, which is great. And the lamp body itself is made of a large area of aluminum heatsink, which gives it a better heat dissipation, and it's not going to push a bunch of heat down or hold heat into your light and make it overheat. I like that feature too. So the aluminum material increases 20% of the light's intensity, and it's also waterproof, which I love that. I don't know why anybody would ever make a grow light that isn't waterproof. I mean, if you're misting your plants, or you have a humidifier running and it's going up and hitting into the light, you don't want that light to explode. You want it to be able to hold up to getting some water on it. So I love that feature. So because it's waterproof, it makes it a very, very durable grow light. And you're with a 4000K and the intensity of this light, you know, it's going to make your houseplants just thrive indoors. Especially during the winter when most of us need that extra light. So that's about all I can tell you about this light. I'm going to go ahead and put the Amazon link down in my description below. You guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested. And I'm not getting any kind of a kickback for, you know, whether you buy the light. I'm not getting anything out of this. I'm just getting the free light. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.